terms or the words will be difficult for you in the initial stage. But of course, if you are continuing with your idea, then you can develop it within 1 year or 2 years. And another part is that the drawback, we can say, the less customer or the consumer interaction. Yes, you are not having direct one-to-one the interaction, but they are doing online order and the food will be delivered. So in that case, it is very important that to maintain the food quality, also to maintain their packaging style, and the feedback system is very, very important in this business. You have to understand what is the feelings of the customers. What are the items actually foodies are expecting from you, in what quality, and you have to identify. Of course, you can deliver the best product. And challenging brand establishment, and it is the biggest, I think that the part of your business will be, if you are going with this business and the food delivery system online. To create the brand is very, very difficult, and for that purpose, you have to use different medium, like that you are using the Facebook page, you are using Twitter, you are using LinkedIn, you are using the other social media, and you have to bring the visibility more and more. And sometimes whenever it is like that food delivery market, then you can bring some celebrity for branding purpose. And it is always advisable that you can bring the celebrity of that area. That if you are doing it the local area, then bring the local people. Okay, local celebrity you can use also at the low cost. Now I'm coming towards the conclusion, and my key lessons are that identify the problem and draw the outline of the idea. It is very important. You have to draw your idea before starting your work. Secondly, do the market research. Business strategy, again, and again. Yes, it is required. That because without study, without working on it, if you were jumping into the business, it will burn your capital. Do not go for that. I am always sharing that start the business with proper market research. It's not like that getting one degree. It's like that you are getting your customers, consumers of your product, whatever maybe. We are going with a different field every day. In every webinar, we are bringing some new startup ideas and their business model and the technology behind this. And I hope that you will study about this, and then you will go for the implementation. We will have some session about this job also, that how can you crack the international examination and how you can crack the national level examinations. Then number 3, that confirm the trust building, quality, profit, and customers. Very important part here. That is, if you are not identifying customer, then you are only producing, you are only developing your product, but you are not able to sell it. And to sell your product, you need to go with the best quality. And also there should be some profit in your hand. And it can be increased or decreased as per the demand and supply. And of course, finally, use the technology. It's the taker. The era is totally dominated by the technology, and if you are not ready to use the technology, then you will face the problem. So now we can see exactly it's 6 p.m. as per Indian Standard Time. And I'm coming towards the end of my presentation. I hope that today, one real story I have shared with you, and